is Amorim the guy you should be giving time towards? Because I guess one of the main reasons why United haven't really had like a Arteta sort of vibe where challenging for the league is because you haven't really had that manager to have the time. Because you can win cup competitions. Cup competitions, it's a bit of luck. It's a bit of 8 games is all it takes to win a cup. But a league is 38 games.
Yeah, it's
And
different.
you'll haven't really
But
given a manager that time.
how crazy is it? Like, we've had 2 managers since Fergie that have finished second, but haven't lasted like more than 3 years. Ole and Mourinho as well. Both of them.
Mourinho,
I
yeah.
think Mourinho should have been given more time. I believe in giving the manager time. I have personally seen progress in the way we play and in certain aspects that make me enjoy watching United more than under Ten Hag. Under Ten Hag, even if we won some games, it was frustrating football to watch. Amorim is getting better. I think it's getting better. And I think when he gets more of his players, I think he'll do really well. I think Amorim is not being given fair judgments, I think, from the public and pundits so far. Give him at least a full season. Another window. He's only gotten 4 players in. That's it. We're still stuck with Luke Shaw. You know? We have to still have Luke Shaw.